to draw shakes from Supa Strikas. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Today we are going to be learning how to draw shakes from Supa Strikas. We are going to begin by drawing his jawline and chin. For this we are going to draw a wide U-like shape that is going to be a little bit boxy because for the jawline on either side we are going to draw a diagonal line going downwards towards the chin, just like this. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! For the next step, we are going to draw a slanted line in the middle of this for Shakes' mouth. We will draw his mouth right here. Nice job! Next, we are going to draw his nose. For this, we will draw a curved line above the left side of his mouth. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! We're all done drawing the bottom half of Shakes' face. Next, we are going to draw his ears. For this, we are going to draw a C-like shape for his left ear connecting to the jawline that we drew at the beginning, and for his right ear, we are going to draw a backwards C shape. Our left ear looks great. Now let's draw the right ear. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Next, we are going to draw Shakes' hairline that will then connect to his ears that we just drew. For this, we will begin by drawing a V above the middle of his face. Nice job! Then, from the right side of that V, we are going to draw a small diagonal line going downwards that then curves to the right, connecting to his right ear. Looks great! Now we are going to do the same thing for the left side of his hairline. Next, we are going to draw the outline of his hair. This is going to be a curved line that has small rectangular indents along it. We will start at his right ear and go all the way around to his left ear. We will start with a small straight line going upwards from his right ear that then curves out a little and goes straight up some more. Then we are going to make our first rectangular indent into his hairline. Then after the small rectangular indent, we are going to draw a curved line going up, continuing the outline of his hair. Then we will continue to do the same thing by making small rectangular indents along the curved outline of his hair. Once we get towards the left side of his head, we are going to draw a straighter line going downwards that curves in a little bit and continues to go straight down, connecting to his left ear. Nice job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! The outline of Shakes' hair looks awesome! Next, we are going to draw his eyes. We will start by drawing an oval-like shape for his right eye. Awesome! Now we will draw the same shape for his left eye on the left side of his face. Then inside of both eyes, we are going to draw a small, thick C shape. These will be his pupils. Nice job, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to draw his left eyebrow. For this, we are going to draw a curved rectangular shape that comes to a point on the left side. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw his right eyebrow. This will be very similar to his left one. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew, our drawings are coming along great. Next, we are going to draw a curvy line for detail inside of each ear. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew. We are all done drawing Shakes' head. Next, we are going to draw his neck and upper body. For this, we will begin by drawing 2 straight lines going downwards from either side of his jaw. These will be for his neck. Then we will connect those 2 lines by drawing a curved line on the bottom. Next, we are going to draw his right shoulder. For this, we will draw a line going outwards to the right of our page from the right side of his neck that curves downwards for his shoulder. Awesome job! Now we will do the same thing for his left shoulder. Then we will draw a straight line across the bottom, connecting those 2 lines we just drew for his shoulders together. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew. We are almost finished. Next, we are going to add a few details to the top part of his shirt. First, we will outline his shoulders and neck, and then we are going to draw the small lightning bolt symbol on the right side of his shirt. Awesome job! Now we will draw the small lightning bolt symbol right here. This is How to Draw Shakes from Supa Strikas. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, make sure to stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. And comment down below what you would like us to draw next. Thanks for drawing with me today, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew. See you again next time!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub Crew! If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.